Your arms aren't skinny because of genetics. They're skinny because you've been doing the wrong things for years, and today, I'm going to fix all of them permanently. If your t-shirt sleeves still look empty, this is exactly why. Skinny arms are one of the most common problems guys deal with. You train, you lift, you pump, but nothing grows. So let's break down exactly why your arms stay thin and what you need to change today to finally build bigger, thicker arms. First, let's keep it simple. Your arms stay skinny because your chest and back get more tension than your biceps and triceps. You're not giving your arms enough direct work. On top of that, you're using momentum instead of muscle. You're not increasing the weight over time, and you're not eating enough to grow. Combine all of that, and your arms don't stand a chance. Mistake number 1, you don't train your arms directly. Many beginners think push-ups and pull-ups will grow arms. They help, but your arms are just assisting. They aren't getting enough stress to trigger real growth. The fix is simple. Train your arms directly 2 to 3 times a week. Prioritize biceps and triceps. Treat arms like a main muscle group, not an accessory. Mistake number 2, you're using momentum instead of muscle. Skinny guys make this mistake all the time. They swing the weights, they bounce the dumbbells, they curl using their whole body instead of their arms. Momentum kills muscle growth. Your biceps never get real tension. The fix is to slow down. Use full stretch and hard squeeze, control the weight, make your arms do the work, not your shoulders or your back. Mistake number 3, you're never increasing the weight. If you've been curling the same 5 or 10 kilos for months, why would your body grow? Muscles grow only when the challenge grows. This is where progressive overload comes in. Add 1 or 2 reps every week. Once you hit the top of your rep range, increase the weight. Small weekly progress transforms skinny arms into thick arms. Now let's talk about the 3 best exercises that build real arm size. Number 1, barbell curls, the king of bicep mass. Full stretch, full squeeze, no swinging. Number 2, close grip bench press or dips. Your triceps make up 2/3 of your arm size. If they're weak, your arms will look small no matter how much you curl. These exercises blow up your triceps fast. Number 3, hammer curls, the secret weapon. Hammer curls build the brachialis, the muscle under your bicep that makes your arm look wider from every angle. Now here's a simple skinny arm fix workout you can start today. Barbell curls, 4 sets of 10 to 12. Close grip bench press, 4 sets of 8 to 10. Hammer curls, 3 sets of 12. And rope pushdowns, 3 sets of 12 to 15. Do this 2 to 3 times a week and your arms will grow. It's impossible not to. But training is only half the equation. If you're not eating enough, your arms won't change no matter how hard you work. Use this simple formula, your body weight in kilos times 1.6. That's how many grams of protein you should eat every day. Eat enough protein, and your arms will finally start to fill your sleeves. Follow this plan for 30 days, and you will see a difference. Your arms will feel fuller, thicker, and stronger. Stay consistent, train properly, eat enough, and your skinny arm days will be gone forever.